know based on the activity, do you know what the topic is all about? Yes. What is it all about? Yes, Janice?
It is all about safe and responsible use of ICT.
Very good. It is safe and responsible use of ICT. More importantly, it focuses on wikis and blogs. But before that, do you know or do you have any idea what is internet? Yes or no?
No.
No? It's okay, we can learn it today. The use of internet, it is a wide web that connects people or devices in order for us to stay connected, share information, and many more. How about computer? Do you have any idea what computer is? Have you seen computer?
Yes, teacher.
What is the appearance of computer? Yes, Diddley?
Appearance, teacher, nasa TV, monitor, mouse.
Very good. The appearance of a computer has monitor, mouse, and a keyboard. But this is a mini version of a computer where you can freely use and use it anywhere. Like this. This is the monitor. This is the mouse. And this is the keyboard. Understood?
Yes, teacher.
The uses of computer, it is a machine that helps us to do our tasks quickly. Now, in internet, there are called social media apps like Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Messenger, TikTok, and many more. In wikis, but before that, before we continue to our topic, which is wiki, we need to read our lesson objectives. Please read the lesson objectives. At the end of the lesson, the students will be able to recognize the different types of wikis and blogs, demonstrate confidence in using wikis and blogs by abiding the safe and responsible use of ICT, use wikis and blogs by posting and sharing the importance of safe and responsible use of ICT. Very good, everyone. Now let's go back to the topic, wiki. Wiki is a website where anyone can visit anytime, anything they want. When you are an expert in sharing information, wiki is your go-to website. You can edit an information or you can share your knowledge to everyone. Now, there are different kinds of wikis. They are called Wikipedia. The first one is Wikipedia. What I meant, the first one is Wikiversity. Wikiversity is an online learning resource. This is where you can get online learning materials like modules. Here is the logo of Wikiversity, and this is an example of Wikiversity. This is the first page, and this is the main page of the Wikiversity. Understood?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. Now, the second one is Wikipedia. It is an online encyclopedia. This is the logo, which you can see here, Wikipedia, and this is the main page of Wikipedia, where you can see many informations, or as what I said earlier, it is an encyclopedia. The next one is WikiTravel. WikiTravel is a web-based travel guide where you can have information of tourist spots, hotels, and many more. The logo of Wiki Travel, and this is the main page of Wiki Travel. Understood, everyone?
Yes, teacher.
What again is this?
Wiki Travel.
What is the use of Wiki Travel?
To guide us in traveling.
Very good, Lisa, to guide us in traveling. Now, the next one is Wikibooks. That is the logo of Wikibooks. Wikibooks is an online free textbook. You can get textbooks there. Specific textbooks where you can get. And that is the content of Wikibooks. There is historical geology, animal alphabet, fresh mozzarella, and many more. Understood?
Yes, teacher.
What again is that?
Wikibooks.
Very good. Now, lastly, we have Wikinews. That is the logo of Wikinews. And Wikinews is an online free content news where you can have updated and unbiased information and news all over the world. That is the logo once again, and that is the main page of Wikinews. There are NASA, as what you can see here, interviews and citizen journalists. What again is this?
Wikinews.
What is the use of Wikinews?
An online free content news, teacher.
Very good. It is an online free content. Now, let's go to blog. Blog is an online journal that contains written entries. You can share personal experiences, your thoughts, and of course, your expertise in what subject, for example, makeups, tutorial videos, and many more. There are different kinds of blogs. The first one is fashion blog. Do you like fashion blog, everyone?
Yes, teacher.
Wow, what kind of fashion do you like?
Trending fashion.
Like? Yes, Ina?
Fashion show in Victoria's Secret.
Wow, very good. That is one example of fashion blog. This is the Girl with Curves blog where she shares her content with fashion, what kind of trends in fashions are today, and of course some tips on fashion. Very good. The second one is travel blog. Well, travel blog contains tourist spots, and travel trip tips. This is the Blondie abroad. Can you see that? Yes, teacher. Yes. This is her latest post about her travels. The next one is music blog. Do you like music, everyone?
Yes, teacher.
What kind of music do you like? Do you like
Pop teacher.
Disco.
yes, Lisa?
Disco.
Disco. Wow, very good. Good job. Disco is a music. And did you enjoy disco?
Yes.
Wow. Well, disco is one of many different genres of music. And music blog contains updated and trending music everywhere. They create what do you call this? Like Spotify. Do you know what Spotify is?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. Like Spotify, you can create an album there, right?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. And here is the self-isolation like Trixie. What again is this?
Blood.
Blog.
From a music blog.
Very good. It is music blog. Now, this is a food blog. Food blog contains many recipes of different kinds of foods, Asian, Western, and many more. You can get recipes from there, and you can get recommendations about the recipes do they like and critics it. For example, the pitch of young. This is recommendations for dinner, quick and easy to cook, healthy foods and ingredients of the breads. Now, the last one is beauty blogs. Do you like beauty blogs?
Yes, teacher.
Wow! Can you share with me any beauty tips, Michaela?
Like how to be your skincare.
Yes, skincare, very good. Do you use skincare?
Yes, teacher.
Wow, what?
Morning and
Morning and evening. Wow, very good. Do you use skincare to keep your skin healthy? Very good. Now, beauty blogs contains beauty tips and how to keep your skin healthy. Now, this is an example of a beauty blog. Actual glitter for your lipstick, right? Do you like that? Very good. There are nails here and skincare over here. Now, as we use the wikis and blogs, we need to be a safe and responsible. We need to be a responsible user of wiki and blogs. This is the five ways or rules to be a responsible user. Number 1, can you please read?
be truthful to your content.
Number 2,
Avoid using offensive words.
number 3,
Do not attack personalities.
4,
Plan the content of your wikis and blogs carefully.
5.
Give credit to the rightful owner.
Very good. The first rule is be truthful to your content. You need to have an experience about what you are going to share information. Number 2, avoid using offensive like bad words. Number 3, do not attack personalities. Do not bash other persons. Number 4, plan the content of your wikis and blogs carefully. You need to plan the content of your wikis you need to share. Number 5, give credit to the rightful owner. You can mention the owner in your blogs. Yeah, very good. Now, I have a video to show you. Please listen carefully to the video.
You're a person on the internet, you know Wikipedia. Over the years, it has become the go-to virtual info desk for both the inquisitive and morally awful. There is no better encyclopedia ever could. It includes millions of articles in close to 300 different languages and dialects and all kinds of topics, including those you didn't know existed and those that don't require explaining. Who writes all these articles? You do. Well, they're going to do exactly. Internet peeps in general. Articles can be edited by everyone, with or without an account. Just jump to the edit.
So, did you understand how to be a responsible user of wikis and blogs?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. Can you tell me how to be a responsible user of wikis and blogs? Yes, listen. Can you tell me how to be a responsible user of wikis and blogs?
Give citation.
Very good. Listening. You need to give a citation or credit to the rightful owner. Now, where you draw the different kinds of wikis. Wikipedia, Wiki University, Wiki Travel, Wiki Books, and Wiki News. I'll give you 5 minutes to answer to draw the activity. Very good. Can you hand me the outputs? Very good. You did a great job in drawing the different kinds of Wikipedias. Now, I have an assignment to give to you since we are done with our discussion. Okay, so our assignment to be passed tomorrow is post and share on social media apps about safe and responsible use of Wiki and Blog. And the rubrics here is happy face is 50 points and the sad face is 20. The creativity, the organized, and the originality. A total of 50 points. Now, please stand up for our closing prayer. In the name